Do you guys know the difference between marble, quartz and granite? Just by looking at it. Well, neither can I. The average Joe can't do it either. But I can fill you in with the details. There's a reason why your kitchen countertops and your bathroom basins have a water stain during the duration of time. Let me tell you why.
Granite and marbles are porous materials, which mean that spilled liquids can potentially seep into the counter and stain the pores, potentially harboring bacteria and germs. Quartz, on the other hand, it's non-porous. It is strong and durable, scratch resistant, crack and chip resistant, stain resistant, heat resistant, flexible, low maintenance, and does not require sealing.
I remember when I first came into this industry about 26 years ago, there isn't many people who knows about this quartz. It's only left with solid surface material and granite, which we are not able to actually get the quality.
Marble might be visually pleasing, however, it is prone to be stained by many foods, liquids, and also household materials.
Caesarstone is scratch, stain, and heat resistance, which I think is very important for especially homeowners who cook really a lot for their kitchen.
Here's a little fact about the hardness scale of natural minerals. First of all, we have marbles, which has the rating of like 3 to 4, and then quartz has the rating of 7, and finally we have diamonds, the most hardest of them all, 10. Unless you're a billionaire and want to make your house full of diamonds, just use quartz. If you were to ask me where to find great quartz, well, what a coincidence.
Caesarstone has a wide variation of premium product design and choices, kitchen countertops, vanity tops, floorings, and many more. Check them out at Caesarstone.